Hey everyone, it's Robert, your quick lane specialist here at Hacienda Ford. For the month of July, we're talking all about oil. I'll be covering various oil filters, types of oil, to the drain plugs used on your vehicle. Before we get into this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to get notified for every new video we post. Today we're going to be covering our most frequently used oil filters here at Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center. We have two main brands that we carry on deck, our Motorcraft brand and our Omnicraft brand. One of our most common oil filters is our Motorcraft FL500. This oil filter is used on most Ford vehicles and even some GM models along with other makes and models. Along with our Motorcraft FL500 oil filter, we also carry a Motorcraft FL2062, which is a cartridge. We also carry a Motorcraft 910S, and we carry for diesel as well, which is going to be our FL2051S. These oil filters are our most common used oil filters here in-house. We service all makes and models, so please feel free to give us a call. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and click the post notifications bell. See you guys next week. Thank you for watching.